Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, date and time. If you want to change your date and time manually, you have to firstly disable this feature, use network provided time. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this feature, use network provided time zone. Firstly, you have to select your region and then you can select your time zone. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.